Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add more than one photo on your Instagram story. So first of all, let's make sure your Instagram is up to date. So let's go to the App Store, let's type in Instagram, click on Instagram and make sure this blue button says open and not update. When it says update, just click on the blue button and update it. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps me out. So I'm clicking on the open button because it opens to my Instagram. After that, I'm going to click on my profile icon at the right bottom. And then I'm clicking on the plus sign here because I want to make a story. So I'm just choosing a picture over here. Let's make it small. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay over a color over it. So I'm going to click on the three lines on top. And then I'm clicking on draw. Clicking for a nice bright color, whichever you want to use. I'm going to click on blue and I'm going to tap on the screen. I'm going to hold it. And this makes the whole screen blue. So what I'm going to do next is click on done. And then I'm clicking on this picture icon. It's the square one in the round circle. And I can add a picture from my camera roll. And I'm going to show it. I'm going to click on it again. I'm going to take another pic. I'm gonna make it bigger. And then so I can go on, let's go. And I can also add stickers, anything I like. So this is how you add more than one photo on your Instagram story. You can scale them however you like, of course. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.